I'm about to show you one underground tool that you can use to find endless video ideas. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Minded Marketing. Now today I'm really excited because I'm going to show you one of my favorite tools that most YouTubers unfortunately just do not know about. I have watched hundreds of videos about how to find content ideas, but almost none have mentioned this website. And this wonderful tool is called Answer the Public. Now, I found this tool back when I did digital and affiliate marketing, and which I still do actually. But Answer the Public is basically a keyword research tool that visualizes search questions and suggestions and autocomplete searches in like this kind of flowery, image cloudy kind of thing right here. I personally just call it a web. Now, this is not to be confused with Ask the Public, which is more like Quora. This is a completely different site. So we're gonna hop on to something called SimilarWeb so we can look at the stats on the site. Okay guys, so here we have some stats for the site. This is the ranking worldwide. What we really want to look at is the traffic overview. You can see about 1.15 million traffic visits, and this is per month. Alright, so we're just going to hop on to Answer the Public here, and as you can see, I mean the site's pretty cool. Little side fun fact, this guy right here, he gets so upset. And there's like another guy as well that shows up, but he just gets really upset if you don't like put in a search term or a keyword or something. So if I just put it a little simply for you, what it basically does is it takes all the Google search terms and all the insights and everything, and it kind of just simplifies it for you. In order for you to understand it better, I really have to just make a search so that you can see how it does it. So let's, for example, say you have a gaming channel, okay? And you're just stumped. You have no idea what content to make next. So if we search a popular game right now, which I kind of like Resident Evil, so we take Resident Evil, we can specify it so that it searches for things in the United States, English, search. And here you have it. This is what it does from the keyword Resident Evil. It gives you everything, all the searches that started with why, will, how, who, which, and it can even give you the data. Now, one thing I do have to note about this tool is this is the free version. You can do about 3 of these kind of searches every day for free. Any more than that, you are going to have to pay for it. I do not know what the payment prices are. I do not pay for this anymore because I don't need to. So basically, let's say you're looking for something to do with Resident Evil, right? You can go and say, okay, I'm looking for something about how to do something in Resident Evil. People are searching, if you follow this, Resident Evil, how, they're searching how Resident Evil games are there. I'm guessing they mean how many are there. How Resident Evil should have ended, how Resident Evil started, how Resident Evil movies are there, I guess again, how many, how Resident Evil 5, how, what, that doesn't make sense why people are searching that, but what Resident Evil games is best. So as you can see, there's like different shades of green. The darkest shade of green is actually the one that's the most highly searched compared to the lighter ones. So you can see, you can even have over here what Resident Evil games is Leon in, what Resident Evil games are online, co-op, what Resident Evil games are on Switch. There are hundreds of ideas here that you can choose any one of them up. These are all being searched on Google. You can choose any one of these and make a YouTube video or content idea from this. You have comparisons, versus, for example. Ooh, this is really good. Resident Evil versus Evil Within, Resident Evil versus Underworld, Resident Evil and Silent Hill, Resident Evil versus Open Beta. Interesting. If you go down a little further, you'll get all the results in alphabetical order. Now let's do a complete 180 and search for something else. So let's say I search for summer recipes. Okay, so here we have summer recipes. Not so many questions being asked for this keyword, but you go down a little further and you can see, you can find things like Summer recipes for one, summer recipes for desserts, summer recipes for kids, summer recipes with pesto, summer recipes with ground beef, summer recipes without a grill, without oven. Again, so many good topics that you can choose from. And then of course, since this is a free tool, you might want to check the actual search volume for those topics, and that you can do by using something like Google Keyword Planner, TubeBuddy, or any other SEO tool that you have. Now they do have some paid tiers and pricing, but like I said, I don't pay for it anymore because I don't need to. But either way, I will have a link in the description below so that you can check this tool out. Now if you want to see 3 other platforms that I use when I run out of content ideas, then you are definitely going to want to watch my other video, which you can find over on your right. Please give this video a thumbs up to help support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.